Bala is saying you had always been saying about learning to understand the context first for good trading career. So how does one kickstart that journey? Will one system be sufficient? And from your experience, you also say that many concepts in market profile aren't needed. If so, which should we focus more? As long as you are going through my course, you are covered. Which should you avoid? Day types, opening types, the 80% rule, the TPO count. Most of the concepts that Jim Dalton has shared in his book, he himself is not following anymore. I haven't seen him mention in his latest videos. You only tell me whether he talks about TPO count or whether he talks about day types and all. He does not do that anymore. Why has he moved on from those? Because it does not help. Okay, when he was trying to find it or give it some shape, when he was trying to write the book, probably he thought about that or thought about market profile in that way, but I don't think he thinks about it the same way now. So you have to understand, like, people evolve and their learning improves, right? And as they become better and better at learning something, their views will change, and it should. If it is not changing, you know what happens? I have seen people, so many people. The other day only someone on Twitter tried to troll me and ask me, like, what is your favorite profile shape? I did not get this idea right at that moment, but then I wanted to ask him, what is your favorite organ in your body? Like, which one is your favorite? Like, would you give something up for an additional of the other organ? Like, if you want another hand, would you give your right eye for that? It's not like that, right? Why would I have a favorite profile shape or a favorite market profile development? I don't have to. It is just telling me what is the trader behavior in the market. I'm trying to understand that. People don't understand it because they are misled by other mentors. Other mentor might have a favorite profile shape and he might have a trading strategy based on that, which is easy to understand and implement in the markets. But what about the results? What about the consistency? Because we know, let's say someone favors P shapes and has some trading strategy based on P shape, but what is the reading of the P shape? What is the P shape trying to tell you? It tells you 100 different things in different situations. Do you understand those things? Can you adjust your trading strategy based on that? If you can do all that, then fine. But if you cannot do it, then you will be in trouble. And again, market profile is not a system. Please don't call it a system, because it's not a system. It is just a way to understand the markets. So what happens, most of the times it is an innate need of human beings to be told what to do. That is why majority of people are in jobs. And they come to the markets and they also want the same need fulfilled here. What should I do? What system should I follow? Where should I enter? Where should I exit? What will tell me that this market development means this and this market development means this? And if this happens, I have to do this. And if that happens, I have to do that. This kind of definitive answer, which are demanded by people all the time, makes life very difficult for me personally. Why? Because I don't believe in that. I don't believe that works in the market. Now what is happening is, there are many people who are saying, okay, yes, you want an answer, I'll give you an answer. I'll charge you this much and I'll give you an answer. And then the person is very happy because he believes that he has an answer. He goes and implements in the market, maybe works a couple of times and then stops working. Then he goes back to that same person, he says it's not working. He says, okay, I give you another answer. Not working, I'll give you an answer. I can do that too, but I don't like to do that because that is not the correct way to do it. So if you want to learn the context, if you want to improve your market understanding, if you want to trade the markets with understanding rather than blindly following a set of rules without ever questioning them, if you want to do the latter, this course is not going to be helpful. But yes, if you want to build that understanding, if you want to look at the charts and understand which time frame is doing what the traders are trying to achieve, what are the references that are important and why, if you want all that, then take up market profile. And unfortunately, I have to say this, but don't read the old books. If Jim comes up with a book, today, I'll be the happiest person in the world, because I am dying to find out what he has learned more about the market profile. And when he articulates it and puts it in a book, it will be invaluable. But I am not really sure whether he will do it or he is planning to do it or what. And there are many other market profile books which I am not a big fan of, because I have tried to read those. They harp on the same old thing, value area this, value area that, and they are not really delving deep into the crux of the matter, which is to understand trader behavior. So I personally don't like it. So, but if you want to move on with market profile, you are going to see benefits only. And also understand that if you are trading with market profile, or if you are trying to observe the markets using market profile, it may not be enough. You might still need a execution system, all right, like a VSA or a price action, or maybe even simple RSI, a trend line breakout, channel breakout, whatever it is. But what market profile will help you understand is whether this particular entry or exit is good or not. So let's say I'm using price action and I believe a certain pattern is forming and I'm trying to take a certain position here. Market profile will tell me whether I should do that or not. How? Because it will tell me what the trader behavior is. I look at the markets, I see, okay, I believe I should buy here, but the trader behavior does not look suitable or supporting. I will avoid this trade. Then on another occasion, I get, I feel like I should sell. I get a sell signal from my system, whatever other system that is, and I come to market profile chart, or rather it should be the other way around. I look at the market profile chart and I see that markets are weak, it should go down further. And then I go to my system and I see, okay, RSI is telling me to short, I'll take that short. As long as I am managing my risk correctly, I'll take that short. And it has a very high probability of working. Make sense? So don't consider market profile as a trading system. It is a way of understanding the markets, and that understanding is essential for long-term success. If you don't have good market understanding, no matter what system, how good it is, you won't be able to use it consistently and make money from it.